G'day coin hunters. Today, once again, we're not looking at coins, we're looking at banknotes, paper banknotes in particular. And these banknotes are the first banknotes of decimal currency in Australia. Monday the 14th of February 1966 was known as C-Day, Conversion Day, where Australia changed from pounds and pence to dollars and cents. The $1 note we're looking at the moment replaced the 10 shilling note. And these notes were designed by Gordon Andrews. The change was overseen by Coombs and Wilson. The note states that it is legal tender throughout the Commonwealth of Australia and the territories of the Commonwealth. It has a bold Commonwealth of Australia heading with the Queen of England, and because we're a Commonwealth nation, the Queen of Australia, the coat of arms of Australia. On the obverse, there's 2 serial numbers. On the reverse of the note can be seen some artwork featuring the Indigenous people of Australia, the Aborigine. This type of artwork could probably be seen on rock walls. That's the reverse of the note. And the obverse. The $1 note replaced the 10 shilling note. There was a factor of 2 to 1. With the conversion. The next note is the $2 note. This is the obverse, has similar features as stated on the first, but a different gentleman. This time we have John MacArthur, who was instrumental in establishing merino sheep in Australia. That's the obverse. On the reverse is William Farrer, who had obviously something to do with wheat. I didn't actually research him. I should have. I'm just going by what I actually know, though I know more about the rest of the people than him. So this note replaced the £1 note. Next is the $10 note, because we didn't have a £2.50 note, so there was no $5 note in 1966. We have Francis Greenway on the obverse, a convict forger and architect. So he was established a career as an architect in Australia. And Henry Lawson is on the reverse, who is well known for his writing. So that's the $10 note, which replaced the £5 note. And last of all is the $20 note, which replaced the £10 note. This gentleman is Charles Kingsford Smith, who is most known for his 1928 Trans-Pacific crossing from the US to Australia. He's affectionately known as Smithy. So he's a leader in aviation in Australia, and a pioneer of aviation in Australia is Lawrence Hargrave. He gave up his job as an astronomer to pursue his engineering hobby, and he was instrumental in helping develop aircraft motors and aircraft design, and quite possibly influenced the Wright brothers flyer. And that's the reverse and the obverse of the $20 note. These are the notes of decimal currency in Australia that were introduced on Monday the 14th of February 1966. and I'll see you next time.